The Christmas Elf. In the bustling North Pole, there was a tiny elf named Elfie. She was the smallest elf in Santa's workshop. Elfie watched as the other elves hammered, painted, and wrapped presents. She wished she could help more, but she felt too small to do anything important. One day, as Elfie sat quietly in the corner, she started to hum a cheerful tune. Her hum turned into singing, and her voice filled the workshop with beautiful music. The other elves stopped their work to listen. Even the reindeer in the stable next door perked up their ears to hear Elfie's lovely song. Santa Claus, who was checking on the workshop, heard Elfie's singing too. He walked in, his eyes twinkling with joy. "Elfie," he said, "your voice is magical. It's making everyone feel happy and bright." Elfie blushed and said, "Thank you, Santa. I love to sing, but I didn't think it was very helpful." Santa smiled and had an idea. "Elfie, the reindeer love your singing. How about you sing to them every day? Your songs will keep their spirits up, and that's very important for our Christmas deliveries." Elfie's eyes widened with excitement. "Really? I can do that," she said happily. From that day forward, Elfie sang to the reindeer every morning. Her songs were so joyful that they made the reindeer dance and prance with happiness. The other elves loved hearing Elfie's voice too, and they worked even harder, feeling inspired by her music. Elfie learned that everyone has a special talent to share. Even though she was small, her singing brought joy and happiness to everyone around her. She felt proud and important, knowing that her gift made a big difference in the North Pole. One sunny morning, as Elfie sang her favorite Christmas tune, she saw the reindeer flying higher and faster than ever before. Their eyes sparkled with joy, and their bells jingled merrily. Elfie knew that her singing was helping them get ready for their big night with Santa. That Christmas Eve, as Santa and the reindeer took off to deliver presents, Elfie watched with a heart full of pride. She knew that her songs had helped make this Christmas extra special. And with that thought, she sang a sweet lullaby, wishing everyone a good night and a Merry Christmas. This story teaches young children about the importance of recognizing their unique talents and the value of contributing to a community in their own special way. It's perfect for encouraging self-esteem and a sense of belonging.